Hey guys, this is what's going down today. I started making some collard greens. I picked them out of my high school garden that we have at our high school. They seemed a little tough, but I'm going to try and work with them. You missed a couple of steps. I've already put the ham hock in the bottom. See if I can pull that up for you. Sorry about the steam. Where is it? Okay. Okay, so here's the ham hock. I let that boil for about 30 minutes prior to putting the collard greens in. I'm going to let this boil together for about, I'm just going to say an hour. Well, I think the greens were a little tough, and that's before I put any seasoning or anything in. So that's what's happening right now. Be back in a little bit. And then this packet of sazon. My aunt always laughs at me when I use this, but it makes the food taste absolutely delicious. Okay, put a little bit of that in there. Sazon. Mix it in. Sorry for the steam. Get that back up to a roaring boil, and I'll be back. This is one of the seasonings I'll be using. This is the next seasoning I'll be using. Stir that in really good.